Tyler. 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 You gonna walk over here? Whoa there, bud. Hi.
What are you guys doing?
They're having a ball. They're playing ball.
Is door locked?
Is it? I'm recording you walking. Are you walking? Look at Tyler. Yeah, of course. Hi, Char. Hi, Charlotte. Look at him go.
Whoa! Look at you.
Mommy,
Yes,
you
Charlotte.
want to go to my home?
Yes, I do want to go to your home. Pretty soon, sweetie pie. Hi, bud. Are you walking over to see me? Hey, Tyler. Are you walking over to see me?
Okay, step back. Okay, step back.
Hey, Tyler.
Let's take one more step back. There you go.
There he goes. Wow, this is the longest I've ever seen him walk.
Whoa.
This is really
He's
pretty.
getting the balance.
Yeah, he really is.
You can see he's like really kind of like, whoa, nice.
Pretty good.
Good job.
Woo.
Nice recovery.
Yeah, very good.
Oh, he's getting the training. Oh.
Oh, very good. Good job, Tyler.
Sorry, let's not